Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 66 plus 1. Let's read out the problem. You are given a large integer represented an, as an integer array digits where each digits I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to the least significant in left. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Increment the large integer by 1 and return resulting array of digits. So basically the question is saying that we are given an array which represent a number. For example, this is representing 123 and we have to increase it by 1. Okay, and we have to return in form of array. So let's start coding. First we will need a vector which will containing our answer. As we have to add 1 to the last element, so we will take a point, we will start iteration from left side. So int I equals to digits dot size minus 1, and we will run loop I greater than equals to 0, and we will take variable named carry equals to, we are taking 1 as we have to increment by it 1. So sum will be equals to digits box of I plus carry. For example, if digit is 9, then we will add 1 to this, so sum will become 10, and we will push sum mod 10, because at every index we are keeping a single digit. So for example, if we got here 10 in sum, then 10 mod 10, 0 will be inserted in answer, and carry will contain sum divided by 10. It will forward it for next value. So at last we will check if carry is there, then we will simply push back, and we will reverse the array, because while performing this task we are inserting, first we are inserting 4, then inserting 2, then inserting 1. So we need to return in this order, so we will reverse it. Let's return. Okay, we are doing, oh, minus minus I minus minus. Sorry. Now let's submit. Okay. Now let's analyze the time complexity. As we are iterating throughout the array once, so the time complexity will be O of n. And space complexity is also O of n, because we are storing answer in a different variable. That's all everyone. Thank you.